Hello everyone, Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to my kitchen. Craving something fancy but simple? This easy prawn recipe will become your go-to for treating your friends and family to a fancy meal. Creamy and flavorful dish that originates straight from Bengal cuisine, Prawn Malaikari, also known as Chingri Malaikari. Devein and clean the prawns, leaving the flavorful head intact, and coat the prawns with haldi and salt and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Extract thick coconut milk and keep it ready, as this is the primary flavoring ingredient of the dish. Once oil is hot enough, lower the prawns one by one and fry them in batches. Fry potatoes as well after frying the prawns. As an Odia, we can't miss potatoes. Heat a kadhai and add some vegetable oil. Once hot, add panchforan. Now add onions and cook until it turns golden brown. See the beautiful golden brown onions. Now add ginger garlic paste and fry them well. Add tomatoes and cook until it's soft. Now it's time to add the spices. Add haldi, chili powder and garam masala. Cook until the oil separates. Add prawns and potatoes in the masala, mix well and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure the spices should not stick to the bottom of kadhai. If it sticks, add a flash of coconut milk. Instead of water, add coconut milk and let it cook for about 5 minutes. It's done. Finish it off by garnishing some fresh coriander leaves. This prawn malaikari is best served with hot steamed rice and enjoy your meal. Try this easy prawn malaikari recipe at your home and comment below. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you.